excited to see what is behind day number 24. I really want to see day number 24, but we can't because we're only on day number 22, which is right next to 24. So let's see what's inside. Hello, my equestrian friends. It's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video and almost Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. We are on day number 22 of our Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar unboxing. Let's just see what's in day 22. I'm pretty excited. I'm super excited to see what's in day 24, but I can't do that yet. It is not December 24th. It is December 22nd. So let's look behind window number 22, which happens to be right next to 24. Ooh, what is this? It's all in German. They're cough drops, but they're all in German. It says horse and rider Bronco bonbons. Bronco Care bonbons. I wonder if they're for horses or for riders. It says horse and rider. It soothes a tickly cough. I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to try it. We'll see. That's good. I like that. Well, if those are made for horses, I think they're good enough for people too, because that's pretty yummy. However, it does say on the packaging that excessive consumption may produce a laxative effect. So I won't be eating a lot of these, and I probably won't be giving them to my horses. I don't know, maybe I could, but it says horse and rider on it. But it's a sugar-free herbal sweet with sweetener. Ingredients are sweetener, malt extract, which is barley, natural flavoring, herbal extract, natural mint flavor, and menthol. Excessive consumption may produce a laxative effect. So don't eat the entire box unless you want to be in the bathroom all evening or all day long. But those are pretty fancy cough drops, I do have to say. And I would say day number 22 is a win. Super impressed with all of my FX and Effol little tiny things that I've gotten so far. So I think that's going to be it for today. I'm sure you guys have lots to do. I've got lots to do. So let's get to it. And I will see you back here tomorrow for December. Didn't shut that. For December 23rd's video.